Watch yourself.
Oh, pardon me, sir.
Oh, Lordy.
Son of a bitch.
Hey, he just picked your pocket. Go after him.
Increíble.
I think you have me mistaken, sir.
He's just too much for me.
I won't forget that sight.
Stop chasing me.
Give me the money.
Oh, God.
Come on.
Damn. God damn.
Be a man about this.
That's all I took, I swear. Don't kill me. I didn't mean anything, really.
I'll take that.
You... Come on, this ain't fair.